Y'all, oh my gosh, date night was amazing. Okay, had a good time. Yes, I did. So glad y'all came to hang out with me. I'm not going to hold y'all long. Excuse the makeup if it is distorted, but I think it held up pretty good considering. Listen, y'all, I got home and I had a package and I was so happy. I got a gift. I was like, ah! Listen, I got jewelry from FAITHHEART. I'm super excited. I would have rocked it tonight. Nah, I can't say that because guess what? I would not have, because what I have on did not require a necklace because, honey, it's busy enough for sure. And this little mock neck wasn't going to tolerate it. Listen, I have gold jewelry. This came as a set. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This FAITHHEART cross necklace, y'all, it's giving style, class, and a little bit of holy sass, all right? When I put this on, man, putting this on is like instant confidence. I mean, it's not just jewelry, it's a whole vibe. Check this out. 2 chains, a thick 6mm Cuban chain that's bold and eye-catching, and the slimmer 3mm wheat chain it's sleek and clean. Now you can rock them together, both together, for that layered look, or switch it up and wear one at a time depending on your mood. Either way, you're gonna shine like you meant to, okay? And what I love the most is the quality. It's made from stainless steel, so it doesn't fade or turn colors or irritate the skin. No green necks over here, honey. It's perfect for every day, church, work, or just doing your thing. You don't have to baby it. Just put it on and go. And listen, if you've ever struggled to find a gift that's meaningful and stylish for anyone, even the man in your life, this one right here solves that problem. It's already packaged beautifully with a gift box and a velvet pouch, so you can hand it over and look like the best gift giver ever. So whether you're dressing up for date night or keeping it casual in a t-shirt, listen, this cross necklace brings that perfect balance of faith and fashion. I love that. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. It's simple, it's clean, and just makes a statement without saying a word. Y'all better grab this off of Amazon. Y'all better get it. So pretty. Ooh, thank y'all, FAITHHEART. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is exceptional. Oh my goodness. Y'all know it's that time of the year when you need to be deciding on gifts, right? Well, baby, look at here. This will work for your significant other, your mom, your dad, whomever. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited. Indeed, I am. I'm such a lucky girl. I am. Y'all, I just want to thank y'all again for an amazing Vlogtober. So wonderful. So wonderful to have y'all hanging out with me. And I appreciate y'all so much. You just don't know. I do. But yeah, I actually could have rocked this with my fit tonight. And I also was loving this bag here. This clutch is everything, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to show you the inside, but it's just the same little fabric there. Well, I can without showing all of my credentials there. But honey, that's it. Y'all, I am out of here. I will catch y'all in the next one. Thank you so much for hanging out with your girl again. And we will be chatting. Yes, we will. So you stick and stay and make sure you answer when I call. All right. Bye.